Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Jungle Scout and selecting your marketplace. Make sure it matches where you sell. Next, paste 10 to 20 seed keywords from listings, reviews, and competing products so you have breadth. This gives you real search intent. Once done, apply essential filters: price range, minimum reviews, and recent date range to focus on current demand. You'll want the extension active during browsing. That lets you pull ASIN quickly and jump into the Keyword Scout tool without losing momentum. You now run Keyword Scout for each seed term and examine search volume, CPC, and trend percentage to spot seasonality or spikes. Then, switch to related and competitor keyword tabs to harvest long-tail variations and alternative phrasing. Export promising terms into a master list. Make sure to tag each keyword by relevancy, conversion potential, and difficulty so you can sort. As you go, check top-ranking listings for those terms to infer conversion drivers like images. Finish by narrowing your master list to the top 20 to 30 keywords and map them to specific places: title, bullets, backend search terms, and PPC campaigns. Once implemented, monitor organic rank, sales, and ad performance weekly so you can reallocate spend and refine messaging. If performance stalls, troubleshoot by checking relevancy against actual query intent, seasonality trends, or weak listing conversion factors like images or price, and then iterate. Small changes often unlock large ranking gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.